So I look at art as one of the ways of expression, right? Words can express only so much, and there is a big gap. And I think art fills that gap. Hi, I'm Sameer Kulavoor. I'm an artist and I work from my studio in Bombay, India, Mumbai, India. Architecture is like the manifestation of the human condition. Even if you just look at a structure of building, just look at all the windows, you can kind of tell, who's inhabiting the space. This is very resistant to pressure. When your tool meets it, there is absolutely no going in. And that resistance kind of felt correct. That is why I've been making a lot of work on bison board. Paper gives you great possibilities. I've been working on these time lapses, sequential drawings that are basically animations. My work is very Bombay, but when you think of it, it's just by chance that I'm in the city. Latest work is on display at Tark. It is based on the concept of these celebration gates, these mandaps that come up during festivals or birthdays or weddings or any damn function. There are certain cues, a certain color scheme which says that this is for a particular religion or, it's of a certain caste. The colors can be symbolic and can be referencing something. We are in a colorful country, right? Another project that I had done more than 10 years ago was Xerox Wala Zine. In the last 15 years, Xerox has kind of become redundant, so you see lesser of those yellow-black signages. It was such a prominent, graphic design, so that's also a documentation, for the future. In that sense, if I can build a link between the past and the future by working today, that is important, at least in my head.